Hey everybody, it's Allison here at Common Ground Gardens. I've noticed we've got a lot of new subscribers, and so I thought I would reintroduce myself and kind of let you know like the purpose of my channel. Definitely all about growing veggies here, and I don't know if you can see, we have a couple goats and we have 12 chickens. 2 of them are babies. And let me tell you about our setup. So I have 2 chronic pain conditions, and so I move very slowly, and I have very purposely made things way easy on myself as far as my budget will allow. So I just do things step by step, and over the years we've built up a system that's pretty easy for me to run and be able to have such a huge space. Now, we live right in the middle of a city. We're in Utah. We're in zone 6, and so I don't have a farm, I don't have a garden center, I don't have a greenhouse, nothing like that. So I feel like what we do here is very, very doable, and I would love to teach you how to grow both food for your family, food to store, and food to share. So it is the first week of March 2021. And the weather is fantastic. It's so nice. A couple weeks we'll have green grass and my bulbs are popping up. So I thought I'll just take you on a little tour so you can see the beginning and the end. So here's my backyard. As you can see, it's enormous. We live on a corner. We have one of those corner cul-de-sac lots, so it's quite big. All back through here is vegetable beds. We have 12 double-sized raised beds. And then, this whole corner back here is for chickens and goats. I'll take you in there in a sec. This is a perennial bed. Looks quite terrible, but you can see stuff is growing. Here comes my irises. The cherry tree that we fight with the birds to get. So we have a big nice patio and we eat out here all the time. And then this entire bed is perennial flowers. So I have like 2 roses. This is a butterfly bush, there's yarrow here, and then a ton of irises and alliums, and then a bunch of other things. And they'll all start popping up here soon. I'm working on the, making a new border because the chickens get out and they scratch all the bark out into the lawn, see? Oh, it's so annoying. Anyways, let's go see the chickens. There's my rescue cat. He's out here to catch mice and we can feed him. He's looking great. Hello, goat friends. So we have 2 pygmy goats. We don't think they're pure pygmy, but they are sweet. They're little brothers. They're weathered and they're less than a year old. This is Sean. He has blue eyes. And this is Gus. He's not quite as friendly, but everybody still wants their petties. He's so, so cute. Here's all my chicken ladies. Hey girls. So they have this area. Oh, the goats are destroy everything you put up. And then they have a covered area. But this is all for them. I have these tarps up. They're super ugly, but the wind comes from the north for us. And so it's so cute. Everybody hangs out in here. And it's all nice and toasty. They've got deep litter. Are you just sitting on the ground there, sweetie? Oh, it's Zoe. Hi, Zoe. So, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you need more pets? Did you need more pets? Okay. Okay. What's that cat doing? He's licking the pond water. There's water out there. I don't know what he's doing. All right, so even though it's winter, I've been getting like 2 dozen eggs a day. It's awesome. Not a day, sorry. 2 dozen eggs a week, which is really a lot for winter time for for chickens, backyard chickens. I didn't put a light out here for this here. It's not that warm. Hey, be nice to the chickens. Let's see if we got any eggs. Oh, occupado. Sorry, I'll come back later. Thank you for your services. So when we moved in this house 7, almost 8 years ago, the first thing we did was we put in these 4 beds. And they're like 10 by 4. kind of wish I maybe made them 3 by 10, but they're fine. They're awesome. So we use different materials. Raised beds are awesome for us here in Utah because it is good for drainage and it warms up the soil. So I literally get 6 extra weeks out of the growing season because of raised beds for us. And then I know it's a mess. It's March. I purposely leave up all of the old like tomato vines and everything, because if you don't disturb the soil, it's much happier, and the earthworms are happier and everything. But the soil is covered with fabric, and then we have drip hose system, so it's no weeding, super easy to water. It's like the turn of a handle to water. So check this out. Garlic is coming up. It would be a lot bigger, but the goats got out and nibbled it. So now the goats aren't allowed out anymore. But yeah, it's pretty great. This is a mulberry tree that was here. It literally produces just so much food, it's unbelievable. We did have a peach tree over here, but it died one year. That's too bad. But yeah, there's a lot of work to be due, but it's all right. It's all coming together. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. So stick around, let's talk about gardening, get out there and grow something, and I'll show you step by step how to get things in the ground, plant enough for yourself, plant enough maybe share with the neighbors. Let's do that this year. And it's just the very beginning now, and we got a long season ahead of us. So hello to all the new subscribers, and we appreciate you watching for sure. And remember, life's a garden. Dig it.